welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Today, I was given a platter from JEPSUSHI. I can actually show you right now. Lamig ko siya, guys. Their sauce and their wasabi is in a separate container, and they gave me this. Right? Nakaingon dyan ko, hala pista. Let me open this first. Oh my gosh. Woo! If you already know, I really love Japanese, Korean, any Asian cuisine. I actually love them, guys. So when I found out from my friend Aline that JEPSUSHI is going to give me something, I got really excited. So here it is right now. Grabe, guys. So I'm gonna be sharing to you the names of what's included in this platter. So first thing, let's start with the most common and my favorite, the California Maki. This one with the orange on top. This one here near you, guys. This is the spicy tuna roll. Lamig na kay ikaon. So this is spicy tuna roll, the one near you. The one near you now is the salmon rainbow roll. So let's go to the center. So the one near the salmon rainbow roll. So I've already tasted the crispy Maki before, and I've already tasted California Maki, but I have not tasted it from JEPSUSHI. So let's go ahead and give our first impression and first review ever from JEPSUSHI. And by the way, the one in the middle is canny salad. Okay? So if ever you order a platter, it will come along with the wasabi and the sauce in separate containers. Alright? So I'm gonna be tasting them now, and I actually love them without the sauce. So some people might find it weird, no? But for me, I love the makis or the sushi rolls without the sauce. Mabend ang iyahang platter if I don't have a table for mukbang yet here in my mini studio, but I'll soon purchase one para din natin maglisod ig mukbang. So let me go ahead and try the spicy tuna roll. Mmm. Lamia, guys. Spicy. A lot of flavors are bursting in every chew. Grabe. Anong karon pa mo katilaw ani? It's a must try. Spicy tuna roll. You can taste the tuna. The rice is soft. There's also crunchy texture. I think it's from the pipino or the cucumber. I hope I'm saying it right. Mmm. So there's a part where it's crispy. You can really taste that it's fried. But inside is nori, crab. I'm just basing on what I see, okay? Pipino or cucumber, and I think those are mangoes. And for each maki, of course, there's a different sauce on top. So if you wanna take a look, lain-lain siya. It's a very festive platter. And it's really good for sharing, of course. Di ko ni mahurot, guys. This is good for, let me see, mga 5 people. If ganahan jud kay mo og maki or sushi, I think this is enough for 5 people. But if dili kay mo kanang hingaon, let's say you can only eat around 5 pieces each, around 7 ka buok makakaon. But guys, It's really a heavenly platter, no? So let's go ahead and try JEPSUSHI's California Maki. Sweet mango with a hint of mayonnaise. And of course, all of these have nori. And if you know, before kilawon ko na ang nori, guys. So mas kinunsa na flavor ani nila ganahan kay ko kay na ay nori. And it's seafood. You know that I love seafood. I love shrimp, I love crabs, I love fish. Samot na ni, because everything is fresh. This was just made 30 minutes ago. So, grabe ka presko. When you order from JEPSUSHI, presko kay na moabot ninyo, guys. Because dili na siya like other stores, naghimo daan pagbuntag, nga if mo order mo gabi mo gyapon to gamiton. So, there's a chance na dili gyud siya fresh and basin maglain pa yung tiyan ana. So, please do purchase from people who you trust na maayo jud quality ang ilahang baligya na pagkaon. So, without further ado, I will taste the salmon rainbow roll. Wa ko katilaw ani. So, this is how it looks like. The salmon is on top, rice, nori, I think mango still, and also cucumber. Grabe kayo og effect. Ang tamis na mangga ani na mga rolls. Bursting with the flavors, guys. There's something salty, something sweet, even sourness. So, if I were you, I'll purchase from JEPSUSHI jud. Okay? So, unsa pa ba nato matilawi? I think that tilawan na nato almost all except the one near the salmon rainbow roll is actually the crispy maki. This one is the crispy maki because of course there's something fried in it. So muna siya ang crispy maki. Let's go ahead and try the snow crab roll. So na actually seaweed on top. The cucumber is really giving it a crunchy texture, and the rice is giving it a smooth and soft texture as well. So it's a mixture of everything. You want something sweet, something salty, something sour, something crunchy, and something tender and soft. You can find it in this platter, guys. So if you wish to purchase this, please do visit JEPSUSHI in Facebook. I can also give you the phone number to contact in the description box. And for the price, I can also indicate it in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If I had the time, I would eat a lot of this, but I'm actually going somewhere else today. So I hope you guys order from JEPSUSHI. Grabe ka generous ang owner ani, guys, and he's making it from scratch for you. So I hope you like this video. Please do leave a like, and if you have any questions about me or my vlogs or even JEPSUSHI, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, please do tap on the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video, lovies. I hope you enjoyed my honest review of this platter, of this sushi and maki platter from JEPSUSHI. Thank you so much for watching this video and for your support. I hope to see you on my next vlog. Do enjoy and take care. God bless. And don't forget, order from JEPSUSHI. Thank you, guys.